Today, we will talk about the latest version of iOS 12.2. Finally! And, are you noticing this? You mean, oh, I need to scrape up some money or not? So, it says this, meaning I have a prohibitory sign. Remember my all macOS errors video, but I forgot one error there. It's just the kernel panic. Well, what should I do with my backup editing? I use my iPad, and you'll see this for updates. Don't read it now. I'll say it to you. Okay. Now, today we will talk about the latest version of iOS, which is called iOS 12.2. And the iOS 12.3 Beta 1 video is coming soon. So let's talk about it now. So number one is it supports air quality index in maps for US, UK, and India. Second, it includes information in settings how much time remains on the device's warranty period. 3. Supports real text or RTT for phone calls made through a nearby iPhone on iPad and iPod Touch. 4. Display 5GE icon for iPhone 8 and later. iPad Pro 12.9 inch generation or iPad Pro 11 inch, indicating that users in an area where AT&T 5G Evolution network is available. And do not mind that keeping rebooting up because I wanted to say it all for a moment so you can see what happened to it. Let me see this. So I think I left off here. Improves quality of audio recordings and messages. And also I won't say the numbers because I might mess it up. Improves stability and performance of Apple TV Remote on iOS. Next, fixes an issue that prevented some missed calls from appearing in Notification Center. Next is, addresses an issue where a badge notification could appear on settings even though no action is needed. And addresses an issue with settings, general, iPhone storage where the storage size of some large apps, the system category, and other category in the storage bar graph could be incorrect. Maybe incorrect, but most likely fixes an issue that could cause voice memos to automatically play back recordings after connecting a car Bluetooth device. Next is, it resolves, and actually the final is, resolves the issue that could cause voice memos to temporarily prevent renaming a recording. And that's it. But that's not the end yet, because I would like to show you something. So I'll show you about the updates of iOS 12.2. So this is how I explored. Number one is redesign thingies here. That there's like the first one here on the 5 things are names, software version, model name, model number, serial number, and you don't want to see that. And it's cringe. I hope everyone will be cringe about this light. Okay. Limited warranty, which will be expired in my date. I won't tell you. That's a limited warranty. I don't know what happens with it. Songs, I have first the songs, videos, photos, applications, capacity available, Wi-Fi address, Bluetooth, SCID, legal certificate, just settings. And I designed the remote thingy, which I explored it. Well, I like the animation with the beta version, but the full release, not really, but I like it. Also, there's an image of it. So, and take note, this is not my image of it, and this is how it looks like. Like this one, the TV thingy or office thingy, so I have to navigate, searching, blah blah blah, like that. And I'll teach you what happened with my iMac here. So at least I'm done talking about it. But how about iOS 12.3 beta 1? I did not learn yet. And videos, most of the videos will be delayed due to something, but I won't tell you. Next is what happened to my iMac. Let me carry that. Well, my iMac, it caused a prohibitory sign for some reason, which I don't know what happened. If it's damaged or no longer compatible. Well, it's just the first ever time that happened. Which I don't like it. I'm not actually crying. So, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys all later. And bye. And the new outro will be soon. Okay? Peace. I forgot how. Boo!